So, what made you want to become a pilot?
I think like you. I always felt it was for me. You're creative. I think you understand. I want to be the one flying through the air. I can be a part of one of those stories. I can be my own hero, and I think if I do, many other girls might follow in my footsteps when they see a young woman can be a pilot. I fly with them. One of my good friends is one of the best pilots. Of course, I'm even better.
Of course, of course.
So what made you want to become an artist?
I never became an artist. Always was one. I tell stories to be able to share knowledge through them, through my art.
Wings attached to a wooden frame with wax. The wings allowed Icarus to fly. His dad warned him not to fly too high or the wax would melt and the wings would fall apart. But Icarus did it anyway. He fell from the sky like a rock and plunged to his death in the sea. You should use that material in one of your stories.
That's a good idea. Just remember not to fly too high yourself.
Not like Icarus.